Ginger, a globally renowned spice and medicinal plant, has etched its place in diverse cultures. Its applications range from culinary delights to time-honored remedies in folk medicine. Ginger manifests in a plethora of forms, each adding its distinct essence to culinary and therapeutic endeavors. From the piquancy of fresh ginger to the sweetness of crystallized variations, its versatility captivates taste buds globally. Furthermore, ginger extends its reach in contemporary times through capsules, tinctures, extracts, tablets, and the timeless classic, ginger tea. In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the multifaceted world of ginger and, more specifically, its acclaimed derivative, ginger tea. 1. Alleviating motion sickness. Traditionally, ginger tea has been widely praised for its potential in effectively mitigating symptoms associated with motion sickness. The study administered powdered ginger to naval cadets and observed remarkable outcomes, with a discernible reduction in both vomiting episodes and instances of cold sweating. These findings not only underscored the effectiveness of ginger in alleviating motion sickness but also opened avenues for further research into its precise mechanisms and optimal dosage. Beyond its historical reputation, this scientific validation has positioned ginger tea as a credible and accessible solution for individuals prone to motion sickness. The implications extend beyond naval cadets to anyone seeking a natural and efficacious way to manage the discomfort associated with motion-induced nausea. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon if you find this video helpful. 2. Nausea relief. Ginger's remarkable efficacy in alleviating nausea extends across a spectrum of conditions, ranging from pregnancy-related nausea to the nausea induced by chemotherapy and surgical procedures. The multifaceted applications of ginger as a natural remedy for nausea have garnered attention not only from traditional medicine but also from the scientific community. Numerous studies have delved into its mechanisms and demonstrated its effectiveness in providing relief from nausea associated with diverse factors. 3. Cardiovascular Guardian. In the expansive realm of heart health, ginger emerges as a potential and multifaceted safeguard against cardiovascular ailments, offering a range of benefits that extend beyond its well-known culinary uses. Scientific exploration has uncovered compelling evidence supporting the notion that daily doses of ginger, typically ranging from 2 to 6 grams, can contribute significantly to various aspects of cardiovascular well-being. One of the key areas where ginger demonstrates its prowess is in blood pressure regulation. Research suggests that the active compounds in ginger may have a positive impact on blood pressure, potentially aiding in the prevention of hypertension and its associated complications. Furthermore, ginger has been identified as a potential ally in the prevention of heart attacks. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of ginger are believed to play a role in mitigating factors that contribute to cardiovascular events, making it a noteworthy addition to the arsenal of natural strategies for heart health. 4. Weight and blood sugar management. Beyond its delectable taste, ginger emerges as a versatile ally in the realms of weight management and blood sugar regulation, showcasing a myriad of benefits that extend well beyond its culinary appeal. One noteworthy aspect of ginger's influence on weight management is its ability to enhance thermogenesis. Thermogenesis refers to the body's process of generating heat and energy from digesting food. Studies suggest that ginger may play a role in increasing thermogenesis, thereby aiding in the burning of calories and potentially contributing to weight loss efforts. This intriguing aspect positions ginger as a natural supporter for individuals seeking to manage their weight through dietary interventions. In addition to its impact on thermogenesis, ginger has been associated with inhibiting fat storage. The active compounds in ginger are believed to interfere with the processes that lead to the accumulation of fat in adipose tissue. This anti-adipogenic property of ginger presents a promising avenue for those aiming to curb excess fat deposition and promote a healthier body composition. 5. Pain relief and inflammation mitigation. Centuries of anecdotal evidence find validation in contemporary research, affirming ginger's role in reducing inflammation and pain. Specifically, ginger tea exhibits promise in alleviating osteoarthritis-related knee pain, standing shoulder to shoulder with over-the-counter pain relief medications. 6. Cancer prevention potential. Ginger's journey from spice rack to potential cancer deterrent unfolds through studies showcasing its impact on various cancer types. Test tube studies reveal gingerol and shagowl's influence, demonstrating cell death induction and inhibition of cancer cell multiplication and growth. 7. Brain health. In the realm of cognitive well-being, ginger flaunts its protective mantle against oxidative stress and inflammation, both implicated in brain degenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Animal studies point to gingerol and shagowl's antioxidant properties, hinting at a shield against age-associated decline in brain functions. 8. Digestive health. Ginger has long been celebrated for its digestive benefits. Ginger tea, in particular, is esteemed for its potential to alleviate indigestion, bloating, and nausea. It stimulates saliva and suppresses gastric contractions, fostering a digestive environment conducive to overall gut health. 9. Menstrual discomfort mitigation. For individuals experiencing menstrual discomfort, ginger tea might offer relief. Its anti-inflammatory effects may help alleviate cramps and discomfort associated with menstruation, providing a natural and soothing remedy during this time. 10. Mood enhancement. Some research suggests that ginger may have mood-enhancing effects. Its potential to modulate serotonin levels and influence neurotransmitter activity may contribute to mood stability and well-being, offering a holistic approach to mental health. Ginger tea, an amalgamation of tradition and science, unfolds as a treasure trove of health benefits. From conquering nausea to potentially safeguarding against cancer and neurodegenerative diseases, the humble ginger root, in its various forms, invites us on a journey of discovery and well-being. As you sip your ginger tea, savor not just its taste but the centuries-old wisdom encapsulated within each invigorating drop. Thank you for joining us on the InfoIndex. Feel free to share your personal thoughts in the comments section below. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on new learnings.